about to do. Zip lining in Costa Rica. Ain't nothing like it.
That's good. That's the biggest You're good. You're good. I know it. It's beautiful. It's literally one of the most beautiful experiences of my life, like that I've ever had. It's you're flying through the rainforest, and you're like, I literally, the first time I went, I was like, oh my god, I'm gonna be so scared. And like 5 seconds later, I was like, wow, this is so beautiful. And every time I stopped, I get off and thank the guy as if it was like his rainforest. I'm like, wow, thank you so much. This is so beautiful. And they're like, yeah, you're welcome.
This is the best way to see Costa Rica, my friends. Zip lining. Yeah. How sick is this? Woo! Wow. What a blast. Oh my goodness. Oh, pura vida.
Pura vida.